Well, narinig niyo yun, matibay. No doubt that Redmi Note 15 series is Titan tough. I experienced this yesterday, this morning. I'm sure you guys all experienced it too. Now, I'm sure you guys have experienced that as well. I think you guys are gonna share photos with us and why they're your favorite photos, right? Okay, let's go.
First photo.
Ito pong photo, akin po ito. Nakita lang po ako sa cat kasi kamukha niya po yung pusa ko na si Nikita. So, ang ganda po ng composition niya. Ito pong photo na to, medyo madilim na, parang sunset na. But as you can see, the detail, may clarity pa rin yung photo. So, yan, may shift. Tapos yung cat parang, para sa akin parang lion siya eh. Ganun yung feeling na binibigay na vibe ng cat. So, it's a nice photo. Yeah.
Sentimental naman niya, guys. Let's see the next photo.
Okay.
What a photo.
Another animal.
What a photo.
Ikaw yan? Ako yan.
Mag-ano kaya? Mag-teammate talaga kayo,
That's
no?
my selfie, guys.
Oo.
Grabe yung nagagawa ng Xiaomi, no? You can transform. Hindi. Ito po, kasi kanina kumakain ako, tapos nakitan lang ako sa dog na yan. Pero, ang ano dito, ang catch dito, sobrang layo ng dog na yan. Sobrang layo niya from my table. So, kinuha ko yung opportunity to use yung feature ng Redmi, which is the 200 megapixel camera. So kahit napakalayo niya, zoom ko, and then surprisingly, ang ganda pa rin ng quality ng photo.
Ganda ng selfie mo. Di ba?
Selfie ko to.
Selfie mo yan, di ba?
Yeah. So yeah, super cute ng moment na yan. And sana sa may-ari po nung aso, sana okay lang po na pinicturean ko yung dog niyo.
Okay. Can we see the next photo? Animal, guys.
Yan naman po, sa akin po. Although mahilig ako sa black, sobrang gusto ko po yung photo na to and you know, yung pagka-vibrant ng colors and yung brightness. And what I love about this is like, gaya ng sabi ni Style, kahit i-zoom mo siya, kitang-kita mo pa rin yung pagiging crisp ng photo. So,
Ganda naman ng colors, guys. You see how bright these colors are? Okay. Next photo.
Food.
Oh, this one's, I took this photo. Kasi huge foodie ako. And outdoor siya. So kanina,
I love taking food
while we were
photos
having our lunch,
with my phone.
parang sabi ko, nasa labas kami, gusto ko mag-try lang na mag-photo. And then, surprisingly, mukha lang balance ito, pero sobrang liwanag yung kanina. Yung sun, directly dun sa screen ko. But yung AMOLED na quality ng screen, nakikita ko pa rin yung pinapicturean ko even though parang pag sa ibang perspective, di ba? Or sa ibang cellphone, mahirap na siya makita. But this one, I took it with actually very detailed and hindi ako nahirapan mag-adjust dahil doon sa AMOLED feature ng Redmi Note 15.
Nagutom ba kayo, guys? Parang nagutom ako eh. Okay, last photo.
Dito naman po, nung pinicturean ko po siya,
Oh.
pinaglaruan ko yung parang telephoto effect.
Member, they took
Redmi na
photos
nagbo-blur yung sa likod.
and now they're showing to
nakakatuwa
everyone
kasi,
the quality, photo
nagkakaroon siya ng
qualities.
parang focus. So, nag-focus sa harap, tapos medyo blur yung nagkaroon ng effect. Tapos nakakatuwa din po na parang even though medyo dun sa nung moment po na medyo padilim na siya paggabi na. So, medyo clear pa rin yung photo, nag-bright pa rin siya. So, hindi siya lumabo. So, ayun po yung na-enjoy ko with taking this photo.
Grabe, iba-iba yung mga vibes nila, no? You know what? This is truly Titan tough indeed. And this next segment is gonna prove that true. No, we will not be dancing. But you guys are gonna wanna whip up your phones for this. Please refrain from waving your phones so that our live streamers can see it. But get ready, guys, because this is the Titan Crackdown. We will be giving away Redmi Note 15 phones signed by your favorite SB19 members to 5 lucky winners.
Oh, wow.
Okay. Put na kayo. Now, about a week ago, we posted an announcement
Okay.
on the official Xiaomi
Okay.
Facebook page. Valid entries were gathered, and now they're all inside the Titan shells. Now, here's the catch. To choose our lucky winner, we will draw one coconut shell. Guys, and we will crack it using the Redmi Note 15. Oh, diba? Ready na ba kayo? Yes? Okay, now each coconut shell
Let's go.
contains printed comments. Kaya naman, watch out ang mga 18. Kasi your favorite SB19 member could read out your comment, okay? And that will earn you a signed Redmi Note 15. To our viewers, are you ready? Guys, are you ready?
Very ready. Ready.
Handa na ba kayo? Handa, let's go!
Oh my god. Whoa. He's gonna smash it with this one.
Let's go!
Wait a minute.
3,
Oh my god. No way.
Guys, hindi ko yan in-expect.
Is that stone? Like what? Wow.
Pero you guys,
That's crazy. Like, yo, that's actually crazy.
Titan Tough one.
guys, ang top nga talaga. Nakita nyo guys? Did you guys get that on
That's
video?
actually crazy,
Yes,
guys.
okay. You guys can pick one each and then read it out loud.
That's quite crazy, I have to say.
From D13, I'm excited to join this giveaway and hopefully win an SB19 signed phone. Fingers crossed. Thank kaninang Xiaomi Philippines. I want to use this phone. Sana sa wakas sa Simula concert para mag-keep up ko mga memories ko. If papala rin enough magka-secure ng ticket. So may mahalim. I hope to see you soon again. Yun.
Guys, bigyan nyo ng ticket, please.
Yeah, bigyan sa ticket. Yes po.
Okay. Okay.
From Jen Pai. I'm an avid Xiaomi user and excited to see what the Redmi Note 15 series brings. As an SB19 fan, also a signed phone would mean a lot to me. Would mean a lot po. Especially today, my birthday. Mabuhay Xiaomi
Happy
Philippines.
birthday!
Happy birthday,
Hey,
Jen.
birthday,
Happy
okay.
birthday.
Sa akin pong medyo mahaba. Galing kay Grace Cladera to SB19. I'll be honest, mahalima. I was converted from a basher to a fan real quick. Basher! Dati, hindi ko get ang hype sa inyo, SB19. Pero ang hirap nyo palang hindi mahalin kapag nakita mo na ang talent at determinasyon nyo. Dadagdagan pa ng your stories as an individual and as a group are truly inspiring. Nakain ko lahat ng sinabi ko noon at ngayon. I can say na full-time 18 na ako simula ng pagtatag era. Proud of you, Pablo, Josel, Ken, and Justin. Keep soaring. P.S. Sana makapunta ako sa homecoming concert nyo sa April 18. Sana dumating na rin yung LSP Dust at Bonzi shopping bag. PPS, Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro user here. Baka ito na ang sign for a phone upgrade. Hey, let's go!
Upgrade from hater to fan. Okay.
Oh, from basher to ano. Deserve mo ang bagong phone. Okay, from Christine Joy L. Amarga. To my kuya sa SB19, I hope you stay humble and kind. And as an 18, I will always support you until the end. Also, you're one of my inspiration to achieve my goals in life. Thank you, Xiaomi Philippines, for giving me this opportunity to give a message to SB19. Congratulations, Christine.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Okay.
And last but not the least, from Casey Mercado Rosalan. Hello SB19, noong 2024, winish ko na makita kayo at maka-hi hello in person. Natupad yun dahil kay Ninang Xiaomi Philippines. SLMC po. Ngayon 2026, ang wish ko, mas klaro at Titan tough na pang picture pag nakita tayo ulit. Hashtag Redmi Note 15 series.
All right. Okay, let me just take these papers from you guys. Para ibigay nila. Giveaway nila.
You're having so much fun on this stage, you know.
Thank you po.
It's actually fun.
All right, congratulations to our winners. Grabe talaga ang
Yeah, all the
features ng
winners.
Redmi Note 15 series. Titan Top indeed. Let's give it up for SB19, everyone. Now, of course, kailangan natin mag-picture, diba? So, let's take our photos.
There, Molly, you want to take any photos? Look at them. Is it?
We also call on the country manager, Mr. Wayne Lee, and the marketing manager, Miss Allison Joe, for a photo. Hi, everybody.
Marketing manager and country manager. Xiaomi Philippines, Xiaomi phone. We're taking photos together. Wow, what a moment for Mahalimo.
Now, isa namang selfie with the crowd, guys. Come you guys, this is your moment.
It's kind of glitchy. Yeah, it's been awesome taking photos with everyone. Yeah, selfie with 18.
Everybody, let's give it up for SB19!
Well, that's it. That's the end of this SB19.